In this video, you'll learn how to clear your history in Perplexity AI. This process will help you manage your data and ensure your previous interactions are no longer accessible. Begin by opening the Perplexity AI application on your device. Ensure that you are logged into your account to access all features. If prompted, enter your credentials to sign in. Once you are in the application, look for the left sidebar, which contains the history panel. This sidebar is typically visible on the main interface of the application. Locate it to proceed. Next, click on the option labeled View All within the history panel. This action will take you to a new page displaying all your previous interactions with the AI. After that, direct your attention to the upper right corner of this new page. Here you will find an icon represented by 3 dots, often referred to as a More Options menu. Click on these 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear, providing you with several options. Select the option labeled Delete All from this menu to initiate the process of clearing your history. Upon selecting this option, a confirmation prompt will appear asking you to confirm your decision to delete all history. Review the prompt carefully as this action cannot be undone. Confirm your choice to proceed. Once you confirm, all your history will be removed from Perplexity AI. This ensures that no previous interactions are stored, maintaining your privacy and control over your data. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.